Hi everyone! Today is a little bit of a shorter video because I have been sick. I just spent the last week in this bed right there, so those are the fun times while traveling. But today I'm feeling better, but I think you can still hear it a little bit in my voice, no? But I'm feeling better, so I was motivated to record a little video about something that pops up again and again in my comments. And I also got this question this week. So I thought it's the perfect time to answer this thing. I think I already mentioned it once in a video, but it's buried somewhere. So let's just do a whole video about this thing. And the question came from someone who is soon going on the Camino de Santiago for 7 weeks. It's in German, so I will translate it for you to English in a second. And the question is, ob da ein 150 Gramm Waschstück für Haare, Wäsche und Hände ausreichend ist. Was meinst du? So let me translate this for you. The question is if a 150 gram solid bar is enough to do laundry, washing the hair, washing the body for 7 weeks. What I think about this. So even though there is no universal answer to this question, for some reasons that I will talk about in a second, we are very lucky because it's easy to find out. And that will make sense in a second. So in my opinion, there are 3 reasons why it's difficult to just give like a general answer of how long a product will last. Doesn't matter if it's a solid bar or like a shampoo, a fluid or anything else out there. Reason number 1 for me is that there's not the same amount of product. Some shampoos are 200 milliliters, some are 150. Some solid bars have 150 grams, others only give you 90 grams. Reason number 2 is that we don't need the same amount of product. Some things you need more, some things you need less. And the third reason is that we all use it differently. So I think that someone with short hair needs less product probably than me with my long hair, and we all prefer to use different amounts. Someone likes crazy foam, someone likes little foam. So those are the 3 reasons for me why it's difficult to give a definitive answer to that thing. But luckily for us, there is an easy way to figure this out for the products that we want to take. So if I want to figure out if a new product that I'm testing, how long it will approximately last, then I usually just put it on my kitchen scale and see how much it weighs. And then I just use it in the way that I intend to use it while traveling. So if it's a bar to wash myself from head to toe, I do that. If it's a bar that I want to use for doing laundry, I just do that. So figure out the combination of what you want to do while traveling with that thing, and then just do it. So if you just want an estimate of how long it will last, then use it once. If you want to have a little bit more realistic results, then I just usually use it 3 to 5 times. And once I'm done with that, I weigh it again, and then I can calculate the difference between how much this thing had in the beginning versus how much it had now. And this gives me the amount that I needed. So if I only used it once, that's already the amount that I needed. And if I used it 3 times or 5 times, then I have to calculate the average. But just to give you an idea, and this may be completely different for you, the way I use my bars, I usually need between 5 to 9 grams per use. Again, depending on the product and all those things. And with that information, you can calculate how long the product will last you. So if I have a bar of 90 grams and I use 5 grams every time, I can use it around 18 times. But if I would need like 9 grams of that thing, then it only lasts me 10 times. The only other information that you need to know then is basically only how often you will need it. So I know that I usually wash myself from head to toe and even my hair every other day. And the other day I just use it once to wash my face, if we stay with the example of the soap bar. And then I know that if I get, for example, 10 uses out of that bar, it will last me for trips a little under 3 weeks. And if I get the 18 uses out of that bar, then it lasts me for almost 5 weeks. And with that and the duration of my trip, I can more or less calculate how long this product will last me. And it's also good to know because if you have this huge bar that will last you for 5 weeks, but you're only leaving for 1, then you can just cut off a small piece and just bring that. So as you can see, there's really lots of variables there that influence this thing. It's possible that you have like a bar of 70 grams, but it uses so little product every time you use it that actually it lasts you longer than a bar with 150 grams. And again, it depends all on us as well. So that's why I think it's difficult to say, but easy to figure out once you have the product that you want to use. And as I mentioned before, you can do the exact same thing with products that are not solid. You can also do it with fluids, shampoos, all those things. The only thing is that then you should give yourself a little bit of an allowance for the weight of the packaging. So I really hope that helps, and I hope you have an amazing time on the Camino de Santiago. And everybody else who's traveling, I hope you have an awesome trip. If you enjoyed this video, then consider subscribing to my monthly newsletter or to this channel. That, as always, would make me very happy. And thank you very much for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!